Are you about to hop on a flight? Hold on. Don't buckle that seatbelt just yet, because today we're diving into the things airlines would really prefer you didn't know. These flight secrets can save you cash, protect your health, and even keep you out of some seriously gross situations. And hey, if you're new here, welcome to BoardiFly, your co-pilot for smart travel hacks and flying tips. Smash that subscribe button so you never miss the stuff airlines won't tell you. All right, let's roll. Flight secret number one, the oxygen mask plot twist. You've seen the demo 100 times. Oxygen masks drop, you put it on, you breathe easy. But here's the kicker. Those masks, they only give you about 12 to 15 minutes of oxygen. That's it. Sounds terrifying, right? But don't freak out. That's usually enough time for the pilot to drop the plane down to an altitude where breathing is safe again. So if the masks ever fall, don't sit there wondering what's happening. Strap that thing on immediately. Hypoxia hits faster than you think, and you won't even realize you're blacking out. Flight secret number two, why flight attendants avoid coffee and tea. Quick question, ever seen your flight attendant sipping coffee or tea mid-flight? Probably not. That's because the hot water for those drinks doesn't come from bottled sources. Nope. It's pumped straight from the plane's onboard tanks. And let's just say, those tanks aren't exactly getting spa treatments every week. Yup, bacteria playground. That's why many flight attendants pack their own drinks. Do yourself a favor. Stick to bottled water, soda, or juice. Leave the sky tea to the brave souls. Flight secret number three, the bathroom timing cheat code. Pro tip, airplane bathrooms are a nightmare at the wrong time. When you first board, they've had a quick wipe down at best. By landing, they've been wrecked by dozens of passengers. So when should you go? Mid-flight, that's when things calm down and cleanliness is still somewhat under control. On long flights, hit the restroom before boarding, and no matter what, always bring hand sanitizer. Trust me, those door handles have seen things. Flight secret number four, the tray table horror show. That little fold-down tray looks innocent, but it's basically a germ festival. People eat on it, sneeze on it, some even change diapers on it. I wish I was kidding. Studies show tray tables have more bacteria than the bathroom flush button. Yep, so if you're planning to snack or nap there, wipe it down first, or better yet, avoid it. Flight secret number five, keep those shoes on. I get it. You want to relax, kick your shoes off, feel comfy. But here's the deal. Airplane floors, not clean. Think spilled coffee, crumbs, maybe even, let's just say, mystery fluids. Add turbulence or a bathroom dash, and suddenly your bare feet are having the worst adventure of their lives. Oh, and if there's an emergency evacuation, you'll need shoes. Keep them on. Flight secret number six, why the lights really dim. Ever wondered why the cabin lights go dark during takeoff and landing? It's not just to set the vibe. Nope, it's safety. If there's an emergency, your eyes are already adjusted to the dark. That makes spotting glowing floor strips and exit signs way easier. So next time the lights dim, know that it's not romance. It's readiness. Flight secret number seven, don't nap on the window. That window seat looks perfect for a nap, right? Wrong. Those surfaces are rarely cleaned, and who knows how many hands, heads, and who knows what else pressed against it before you. Bring a neck pillow, or at least throw a hoodie or scarf between you and the glass. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Flight secret number eight, the magical overhead air vent. That little nozzle above your head, it's not just about comfort, it's about survival. Point it right in front of your face, and boom, instant germ shield. Doctors actually recommend keeping it on the whole flight. Pair that with a mask, and you're practically a force field against plane plague. Flight secret number nine, blankets and pillows, the ugly truth. See that freshly wrapped blanket? Hate to break it to you. Sometimes it's not so fresh. Used blankets often just get folded up and rebagged. Same with pillows. Want real comfort? Bring your own travel blanket or hoodie, way cleaner. Flight secret number 10, don't trust the seat back pocket. That pocket in front of you seems handy, but oh boy, it's gross. Flight attendants have pulled everything out of there, from dirty diapers to leftover food, and it doesn't get sanitized often. Keep your snacks, phone, and essentials in your own bag instead. Flight secret number 11, the window shade mystery. Ever wonder why they make you raise your window shade during takeoff and landing? It's so crew and passengers can see outside instantly if something's wrong. Plus, it helps your eyes adjust to natural light in case of an evacuation. Simple but smart. Flight secret number 12, flight attendants' secret code. When flight attendants tap the wall or give subtle nods, they're not just being quirky, they're using a whole hidden language to talk to each other. From turbulence warnings to keep an eye on row 12, those signals keep things smooth without scaring passengers. Next time, see if you can spot the secret communication. Flight secret number 13, where to sit if you're nervous. No seat is 100% safe, but crash studies show middle seats in the back have slightly higher survival rates. That said, flying is super safe overall. Still, if it calms your nerves, grab a seat near an exit and listen closely to the safety briefing. Flight secret number 14, why the Mile High Club is basically impossible. Thinking of sneaking into the bathroom for adventure? Forget it. Those lavs are tiny, and the smoke detectors, super sensitive. Some are wired right to the cockpit. Mess with them, and you're in serious trouble. Better save those stunts for the hotel. Flight secret number 15, turbulence isn't the villain. Here's the truth. Turbulence feels scary, but planes are built to handle it. Pilots often know it's coming and adjust. The real danger? Passengers not wearing seat belts. Every year, people get injured because they ignored that tiny little buckle. Pro tip, keep it fastened whenever you're seated, even if the light's off. Flight secret number 16, contact lenses plus dry air equals bad combo. Cabin air is drier than a desert, which means contact lenses dry out fast. If you nap in them, you're waking up with sandpaper eyes. Veteran travelers swap lenses for glasses or use moisturizing drops. Your eyeballs will thank you. Flight secret number 17, eat smart before you fly. Big meal before boarding? Bad idea. Digestion slows at altitude, which means bloating, cramps, and discomfort. Go light, avoid fizzy drinks, and keep salty foods to a minimum. Bring healthy snacks in case the airplane mystery meal isn't doing it for you. Flight secret number 18, pilots speak. Decoded. Ever notice pilots say things like slight turbulence or just a bit of paperwork? That's code. Slight could mean hold on to your snacks. And paperwork? Yeah, that could be a mechanical issue. They're trained to keep things chill so passengers don't panic. So next time you hear pilots speak, listen carefully. Flight secret number 19, how cabin pressure messes with your body. At cruising altitude, your body feels like it's on a mountain 6,000 to 8,000 feet high. Oxygen levels drop, circulation slows, and gas in your body expands. Hello, bloating. Stay ahead by drinking water, skipping alcohol, and stretching often. Flight secret number 20, don't trust in-flight Wi-Fi. Airborne Wi-Fi sounds cool, but it's usually slow, expensive, and cuts out over oceans. Oh, and it's not exactly secure. Download your movies and music before flying and avoid logging into sensitive accounts. Save the Netflix binge for offline mode. And there you go. 20 flight secrets that the airlines would love to keep under wraps. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if this video made you a smarter traveler, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to BoardiFly for more hacks to make your next flight smoother, cheaper, and way less stressful. Safe travel, and I'll see you up there.